We are going to Calayan Youth Camp! 1, 2, 3, go!
We are going to Calayan!
Next 3, 1, 2, 3, go! We are going to Calayan Youth Camp in Tagaytay! Ayun, alam yung pati ko.
Ito na.
I need finger.
Ate Pink. Game ka na ba? Ano ba yan?
Kaya nga yung pala. Like forever.
Parang walang... Ayan na. Ayan na ba yun? Ayan na ba? Parang apartment.
Your destination is on the left.
Okay. We're here. Ano, para rin tayong camper kasi naka-backpack tayo. Ha? Yung kape ko po. Thank you. Siya lang? Dito muna kayo kuya.
Hindi maluwag.
Ay, sige po.
Yung last time natin na ng JC, natanggalan yung kamay.
Inaatras si Abel. Rico. Hindi, isa lang, isa lang. Pero totoo, nakakahiwa yan ng kamay ah. Huwag mong ilalapit. Kaya yan, Abel. Huwag ka lang gagalaw. Yan. Galing.
Ano ka? Sure ka? Panginoon, new discovery, Panginoon. This is the day that the Lord has made. You are who you are.
Letter C, luto ng nanay mo. Pakirecord niya po na naluto ng... Bakit luto ng nanay mo? Hindi ka talo sa Panginoon. Itong cup na to, matapos mo itong cup na to, hindi pa to yung the end. Ang camp is panimula pa lang.
Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate is proudly presented to Brother or Kuya JC Kayabon for being a research speaker at UCAM 2025 with the theme I am discovering that I am the group Discovery 1. Who is my creator? Your message deeply impacted us and helped us understand God's purpose in our lives. The camp was held at Monlins Private School, Tagaytay. this day, May 29, 2025. Palakpakan po natin. Salamat po. And meron po yung kasamang freebie na t-shirt with Ate Abby. Ate Abby.
Sinimay pala yan. Wapo na iba naman. Sa malaban naman.
Para hindi ka madiliman din.
Hindi dahil sa pinakalimito.
Wow.
Uy! Uy! Wala naman na ni Abe.